What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2014 Nissan Versa Note and the air is not blowing out of the vents. Let's check it out. With the key on, turn the blower on to max, nothing. On 3, nothing. 2, nothing. 1, nothing. With the engine running and our control switch on max, I'm going to check for power and ground at the blower motor itself. I have power, I have ground. That lets me know power and ground is making it to my blower motor and it's dead, it's not working. On this particular model, the blower motor is not conventionally placed behind the glove box like most cars. It's actually on the driver's side behind the dashboard. You will need to remove the brake and gas pedal to remove the blower motor. You're going to pull that cotter pin out so you can release the brake pedal from the booster. Now, with our brake pedal disconnected, we can remove the brake pedal bracket housing. Now, with the brake pedal assembly out of the way, we can now access the blower motor. Now we can go back in with our new blower motor.